Hey, it's Marissa here. Today we're going to be drawing a Siberian Husky Puppy. The first step we're going to take is to draw the top of his head, and that's just a big curve up, and then he has little fur marks. So make a little line like this, and then bring that line out. That'll be the top of his head. Now let's form the little ear. Let's go up like this, and then go down just a bit. Once you go down, go out and down. Let's put another ear right here. I'm going to go up and over this time, and then draw a curve around, bring it down just a little bit, and then curve it around and down. Let's draw the head. The head's going to start right here and go down and in. Same thing on the other side. Go down and in with the curve. I'm going to make a line here and in, another one in, over here same thing, put little zigzag marks. Here's one and there's two. Let's bring a line that starts at the end of this one and in, same thing, a line and in. There we go. I'm going to draw the body. So let's start about here where one of the hair marks are. I'm going to go right under it and then draw a curve down, down, down. And that'll be the back side of him. I'm going to draw a little tail up here by going up and then bring it down just a bit and then curve it out. There we go. I'm going to make a little zigzag mark here. Give him some fur line. At the bottom, let's do a curve line in like this. I'm going to come back up here and then draw a line down. Try to touch that first line if you can. And then we're going to draw a line around like this. And then we're going to go in just a bit and then up. There we go. Now I'm going to draw a line that goes right here, curve it in the middle, and then start above that line that you just made and go down and around and up. This is a foot, foot, and foot. Since they are feet, let's put little toe marks. I'm going to put one right here, and then one right here. Let's put two more lines just like this. Now this curve, I want to in just a little bit more like that. And then once you have that line down, draw a curved line in towards the head. There we go. This line, make it come up to about the same size as the other line you made here. I'm going to make little fur marks again. Just go up and then in. Perfect. Now let's draw the face. His little face has two eyes. Let's put one right here and then one on the other side, kind of the same size. There we go. I'm going to put a little curve and a curve here and then color the rest in black. Those little curves are going to make the eyes shine a bit. There we go. Now draw a line down and a line up for the nose. We're going to curve it around towards the top there. Go down and then make a smile. Put one side here, one side there. There we go. Now if you want, on the ears, you can make a little pattern. I'm going to put one line here, go up and over. Same thing on the other side. Put a line down here and then go up and over. Now let's color him in. Here's our cute little husky puppy. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe for brand new drawings. I will see you next time. Bye.